Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Isha, and today I'm here with a pick a card reading which will be quick, straight to the point, and very specific to a current problem which you're going through right now. So let's get right into it. I have three options for you to choose from. This is going to be pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. And don't worry because in the beginning, first minute or so, I always try to give confirmations. So if that is not your problem which you're facing right now, you can try another pile. And if it is not resonating as well, just let it go. Please select your pile and fast forward to your chosen option. So I'm going to start with pile 1. Hi, pile 1. Let's begin with your problem. So, what I see is that your major problem that you're facing right now is a celebration, community event, or some sort of a thing that you are invited to, perhaps, or you might have to register for an event like that. And instead of feeling like light-hearted and happy, you are feeling anxious for some reason. Now, one reason could be social anxiety. There could be powerful people over there, and you are anxious to go and talk with those people, communicate and mingle with those people. You could also feel like some people or one person over there could be sneaky, shady, manipulative, or it is possible that you might have not slept well, which is why you're feeling anxious and not in a mood to go for that celebration, go for the social thing. Now, coming to your advice is to go register for that event if you have to register. If you are called, you've got the invite, definitely go for it. And you know what? You will feel very grateful once you go for it. And you know why? Because your social anxiety, your nerves, those will be a thing of the past. I do see that now your energy has shifted. You're not the past person anymore. And now you are a different person, a more confident person. I do see you feeling good, looking attractive, and going for the event. And that is a major blessing. You are going to feel very independent and you are going to feel very happy that you attended the event, and people will see you as someone very attractive, independent, and I do see that you will be enjoying over there, enjoying the abundance. Perhaps you've worked hard on yourself for looking good, even taking the energy to go for the event. So you're enjoying the rewards of your hard work if you go for that event. That is what I see. And for some people, you might have had some sort of a bad dream or something from your past which is stopping you from going forward to this event. So your advice is to still go for it because that is a thing of the past, and nothing from the past is going to come out because I already told you your blessings are like you're going to look attractive, feel good, and you're going to feel very grateful for going over there. And for some people, there could be a woman who might be very kind, caring, empathetic in that event, who's going to make you feel very comfortable, emotionally secure, and welcome. And I do see not only that, but you yourself will have the desire once you reach there, and you're going to feel very happy and nice if you go there. Yes, that's about it. Bye, take care. Hi, Pile 2. Welcome to your reading. So, the problem that I see for you is that you have some wish with regards to your family, but things are not in balance right now. People are fighting with each other, perhaps. There are conflicts, arguments, people want to win at all costs. So, this is the energy of your family members, is what I feel like. And that is what is worrying you. That is your current problem. And what I feel like, you wish that those conflicts wouldn't happen. You wish that people come out clean and just confidently speak as they are and not hide things, is what you feel like. I feel like you are a confident person who wants to communicate clearly, who's not afraid to reveal who you are, is what I feel like. But people in your family might be different. they are more of petty conflicts kind of people, and you might not want to engage in that energy, and you wished that those people would just be clean and just come out as they are and not hide things from each other, is what I feel like. Now, coming to your advice, there is something about your destiny. So, your destiny is linked to this family. Karma, I guess, I don't know what, but I feel like you are the one who's chosen to resolve the conflicts and encourage people to speak their truth and be how they are, express their needs rather than feeling exposed to express their needs as they are. So, you are the one who's chosen, is what I feel like. Your advice is also something with regards to a mother figure or someone who's very abundant, and you are perhaps advised to talk to a mother figure or someone who's maybe pregnant or creating something, or you could be in this energy of creation. So it's your destiny to create something which is going to be very abundant when there is a lot of money. Obviously, conflicts resolve because most of the conflicts are rooted with the lack of finances or something like that. But you are destined to create something, to create so much of wealth, because I feel like you're going to be creating something that is going to be very successful, abundant, and your advice is to go for it to create that, and that in turn will somehow resolve the conflicts in your family, and you will, fulfill all your family wishes, is what I feel like. Now, I also feel like there are certain people who might be criticizing a lot, but your advice is to ignore and release all that criticism. And if you feel like these people are very petty, they keep on fighting, why can't they just stop fighting? Just let it go, just release it and let it go. You do not have to engage and fight. You do your work, you focus on your destiny, and when you succeed, your family wishes will also come true. I see that you are very confident when it comes to saying or expressing who you really are and expressing your needs. But right now, there's no vibrational match, which is also why they cannot understand you, perhaps, is what I feel like. But I'll tell you one blessing. What is your blessing in this situation is that you are going to be very fortunate, because a very fortunate cycle is going to begin for you from now. If something was stuck, if your creative project perhaps was stuck, it is going to move forward, and it is going to move forward in your favor. It's like destiny is working in your favor. So it has started, it has already started. So don't worry about your problem, because just remember that you are going to be victorious in whatever this is, because the destiny is favoring you, and now events in the family will start happening as you want them to happen. Yes, you're going to be very fortunate, and that fortune is going to also solve your family issues and also complete your family wishes, is what I feel like. So don't worry about it. That's about it. Bye. Take care. Hi, Pile Tree. Welcome to your reading. Let's begin. So, the problem that I see for you is that a journey. So, you could literally be wanting to travel somewhere, and your documentations or something could be stuck. Some legalities could be in the way, something is out of balance. And if it is not a literal travel, this could be about a journey metaphorically, and something is not balanced with respect to that. I do see that you will get the illumination. You recently perhaps might have got some sort of an information or clarity with regards to this travel or this journey, but there is still something that is repressed, and just for few specific people, animals could be significant, is what I'm getting. But regardless, I do see that there is something that is repressed, and not completely illuminated. Like you might have got some sort of partial truth or partial guidance or partial clarity, is what I feel like. So there is a major imbalance with regards to this travel, trip, or journey, or something metaphorical journey of movement forward, is what I'm feeling like. Now, what I also see is your advice. That is impatience. So, our advice is actually to take action, is what I'm feeling like. Because you might be in this energy of impatience, and I'm not going to say that be patient. I feel like your advice is to act. Act and follow that spark. I see that excitement. Perhaps it is a trip only that you're worried about and something is stuck. So I feel like your advice is to take some sort of an inspired action. Like you have that spark within you which is making you feel impatient. So it's that kind of energy where you're like too excited for something but something is stuck, so you're frustrated, but you have to create or put something out. It's that kind of an energy. So your advice is to take some sort of action right now and follow that spark that you have and don't let that spark go, is what I'm feeling like. And what I want to say to you is that don't worry about it at all, because whatever this journey process is, whatever is stuck, there is this process of positive change that is going on. So there will be positive change in this situation. What I also feel is like you will take an inspired action. So, as your advice has suggested, I do see you will take some sort of an inspired action and go towards that thing, that journey, wherever it is calling you. And I feel like it is something destined. It's like you feel a strong pull towards that place or that trip or something like that. I do see once you take an inspired action, you will start feeling a strong calling, a pull towards that journey, towards a person as well who you're going to meet with, or if it's not a person at all, I do see that there is passion, inspiration, spark involved, and you will take the action and you feel a strong calling. Just for some people, this could be about some sort of clearance, and that clearance will happen because I do see someone reviewing your documentation. Or oh, I do see birds right now, but I am getting intuitively that you will get the clearance. And I do see that for some people, animals might be really important. Like you might be going on a journey like bird watching, animal watching, like safari or something where something is not clear. And I do see that you will be able to see the animals and birds and whatever you're going to watch, and that's very specific for some set of people. But for others, you could be someone who is very drawn to help animals in some ways. So, for those people, you will take an inspired action and you will follow your calling, and that is a major blessing. For others, it could just be a journey, and whatever is repressed, whatever is hanging, not resolved, I do see that there is a positive change that will happen, and you will be able to act on that thing. You will be able to go on that journey wherever you're called towards, wherever you feel the strong pull towards. Yes, that's what I see for you. Bye, enjoy, take care.